Now in this table there are some materials given, the objects are given. These objects are a refill, a ball pen, and the different types of materials are there, and these materials are rubbed and then they are being tested. Now when a refill is rubbed, it is rubbed with polythene. It is written here in the first column the material on which it is rubbed. It is rubbed with polythene or woolen cloth. What will happen? In the next column, will it attract or does not attract pieces of paper? When a refill is rubbed with woolen cloth, it will get charged and it will start attracting pieces of paper. And what does this show in the last column? Is it charged or it is not charged? So it is charged because it will attract pieces of paper. In the next column, it is the next object is when you rub it with polythene, a balloon when it is rubbed with polythene, will it attract? When it is rubbed with polythene or woolen materials, will it attract or not attract pieces of paper? So it will attract the next material, and there are two columns given, so you have to just write in this table that will it attract the material or will it not attract the material. And most of the things you know that it will attract material, and in the last column you have to write that when it attracts the material, is it charged or not. So when you can do this activity on your own also and find out that actually it happens or not. If you rub an eraser with wool, will it get charged? If you rub steel spoon with wool or with hair, will it get charged? Will it attract pieces of paper or not? In the next two columns you can test it with other objects. You can try with pencil, you can try with a scale, you can try with a metal rule and fill in the information. The question which arises here is that when some materials are rubbed, they acquire a charge, and when some materials are rubbed, they do not acquire a charge. So what is the reason why some materials acquire a charge or they get charged and they start attracting lighter objects, and the other materials when they are rubbed they do not acquire a charge and they do not attract pieces of paper? So what is the reason for it? The reason for it we will read in the next, and then I will tell you.